Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing my third prom makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing it on this halo eye with no false lashes. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please just keep on watching. So I have already done my face makeup. It is the same as I did in my last video, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave it linked up here somewhere. So yeah, going straight into the eyes. For eye primer, I'm going to be using the MAC Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot, and I'm going to apply this with my damp beauty sponge. So I'm literally pressing this all over my whole lid, taking it right up to the brow and right into the inner corner of the eye. So for this makeup look, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I absolutely love this. This is such a good palette just to have in like your makeup kit, because you can create so many different looks. Like it's got all like the warm brown tones, and it's also got like pop of colour if you want to do something a bit more creative. Like I absolutely love this palette. So I'm going to start by picking up the shade Raw Sienna, and I'm going to buff this into my crease as normal, so in the inner corner of my eye, right out to like the brow area. I'm just taking this on my Zoeva 228 Luxe crease brush. I know for this look I don't want to be applying false lashes. For those of you who don't really like to wear false lashes, or literally can't apply false lashes even though you want to, but you still want a sort of like a nice glam sort of look, that's what I'm going to try and create. So I'm going to take a pencil brush and pick up that Raw Sienna shade that we've just laid down, and I'm going to apply that under my lower lash line. I'm going to take this all the way across, blending it quite far down. Just using the same pencil brush, I'm going to pick up Citrus Umber, and I'm going to apply that on the outer and in half of my eye, sort of creating like an halo eye effect. I'm just pressing that where I want it to be. That's right on the outer corner, a little bit into the crease, because as I am creating a halo eye effect, I still want this in the crease just ever so slightly. And then buffing it out. Then I'm going to take the brush that I used for my transition just to help blend everything together. Doing small circular motions really helps with blending dark colours out. So taking that in the inner corner as well, and then slowly, very gently, just applying that in the crease, just so I can see where I'm applying it and see if I like it, because I can always bring it up, which I need to bring it up just ever so slightly. Like that. And then taking the blending brush again just to blend it all out. I'm then going to pick up the shade Primavera with my ring finger, and I'm going to apply this in the centre where we haven't applied any shadow. Literally just pressing that in the centre and then buffing it out, blending out with my finger, and literally just tapping over the edges to help blend them. Looks so pretty. I'm just going to grab my pencil brush just to go over to help blend out the edges. I'm going to grab that Citrus Umber again and apply that on the outer half of my eye, getting really close to the lash line to sort of smoke it out. I'm not going to take this one all the way across, I'm just going to go sort of 3/4 or halfway across my lower lash line. Just going to grab a smaller defined brush and pick up that Primavera shade, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone just to sort of tie everything together. Ooh. I love this shade, it's so pigmented. I'm going to pop that into my inner corner as well. For mascara, I'm going to be applying the Clinique High Impact Mascara that I always use and I absolutely love it. I'm going to apply this to my top and bottom lashes. For highlight, I'm going to be using this Dose of Colours MIRAME highlighter. I absolutely love this highlighter. It's so pigmented and it's probably one of my favourites. This and the Fuego shade, they're so nice. I'm going to be applying this on my cheekbones, nose, lips, you know, everywhere. I always like to apply a little bit on like the apples of my cheek because I know that's where like the sun and the light would naturally hit. For lips, I'm going to be applying this Morphe lip liner in the shade Sweet Tea. Then for lipstick, I'm going to be applying this one by MAC. It's one of their cream sheens and it's in the shade Shy Girl. Take that right over the lip liner so it all blends in nicely together. So this is the finished result. I all hope you enjoyed this Halo Eye Prom makeup tutorial. It's super easy to do. I know it looks kind of hard, the Halo Eye, but it actually is so easy. But I all hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also don't forget to click on the notification bell down below so you'll be notified every time I do new videos.